Almost every Saturday night at Mayrick's Music House and on some weeknights at Club Dread and Bistro 70s, music buffs line up in droves to hear the band. It's easy to understand why. Listen to Tropical Depression and you feel like you're lazing at the beach in the summertime. We caught up with their two veteran members, Bong Udela and Papa Dom Gamboa, to learn a little more about Tropical Depression and why their music evokes such magic.
Bakit Bagyo ang napili niyong pangalan?
Hindi, kasi parang bagay na bagay dito sa lugar eh. Kasi sa isang taon, kung dalawin nga tayo ng bagyo, ganun-ganun na lang, di ba?
Political side of the name, medyo depressed ang Pinas noon eh. Medyo walang pera, gano'n. Maraming utang, maraming gulo. Every tropical country naman, gano'n lagi sitwasyon eh.
With the rise of tropical depression, reggae music has become popular with the Filipino audience. Reggae is more than just wearing crocheted caps, dreadlocks, and neon-bright clothes. Beneath the image is a very tricky musical form. Reggae began in Jamaica and was popularized by Bob Marley in the 1970s. Reggae fuses ska music, rock and roll, and soul with ethnic instruments. Its rhythm is difficult to master since it's syncopated or played off-beat.
Di kami magagaling eh. Pero ang dami ko nakikitang magagaling na musikero. Pag pinatugtog mo ng reggae, sira talaga sila.
Oo nga.
Nahihirapan sila.
Iba yung ano nung reggae, it's 98% feel. Hindi technical lang music eh.
Paano mo ginagawa yun kayo? Paano nyo ginagawa yun?
Pag alam mo na yung indak niya, when you have the rhythm, that's it. When you feel it.
Ano ba, pinag-aaralan ba yun?
Hindi nga pinag-aaralan. Kahit na pag-aralan mo yun, hindi mo makukuha kasi talaga.
Parang reggae so un-Filipino. No? Paano nyo nagagawa na...
Hindi.
Actually, matagal ng music dito yan eh.
Kung titignan mo nga sa mapa, magka-align tayo ng Jamaica sa ano eh.
Ano ibig sabihin sa ikwento?
Kumbaga, iisa ang takbo ng ano natin.
So, ano?
Tibok ng puso natin, iisa.
Girl, I wanna make you sweat. Sweat a little, sweat no more. And if you cry out,
Tropical Depression's main problem has been finding musicians who can really get into the reggae groove. Since the band started in 1987, it has undergone 4 changes in membership, mostly because other members didn't live up to the high music standards of Papa Dom and Bong. Only the 2 remain from among the original members.
Hirap na hirap pa rin kami hanggang
Hanggang ngayon, mahirap pa rin maghanap ng...
We still, actually, with these people we're working with, we still have to guide them. Kasi medyo, ano pa, bago pa rin sa kanila yung music eh.
But they think they've finally come up with the right combination, and the 8 present members of the band intend to stay together for a long time. What do you like best about being in Tropical Depression?
Especially, I love the band members.
Oh, which? I actually look nice and slim when I'm on stage with the guys. Yun. Saka spoiled. Kasi, 2 girls eh.
Yung music, tsaka ano, yung kasama ko rito.
Nakaka-let loose kami with the music.
Gasgas na yung music eh. Budget.
Believe it or not, Tropical Depression wasn't always into reggae music.
This was way back in 87 when I first formed the group. No?
Supposed to be a punk band.
We were a punk band then. Medyo bata pa nga kami nung panahon na yun. Andun pa yung angst namin talaga na ano eh. Siguro yun yung napili namin medium nun is punk dahil galit na galit talaga kami sa mundo.
You youthful angst soon gave way to fascination with a more challenging musical form. And in 1990, the band reverted to reggae.
Anong mga adjustments ang kailangan gawin? From punk to reggae, medyo malayong ano yun eh, lakbayin yun eh.
Ngayon, mas madalas kami sa tabing dagat.
Tsaka,
Dati, concrete jungle ang ginagalawan.
Tropical Depression's first gigs as a reggae band were at rallies.
Nagustuhan din kami ng mga cause-oriented groups dahil medyo seryoso ang atmosphere ng rallies noon eh. Medyo dinagdagan lang namin ng festive atmosphere.
reggae naman kasi talagang dati, kahit nung panahon ni Bob Marley,
Protest talaga siya.
protest music yan eh.
Protest music.
So ang mga laman ng lyrics nun is talagang about politics.
But Tropical Dep isn't really into making a political statement. The band members simply want to make their listeners get up and dance. Unfortunately, for the longest time, says Bong, their audience was too inhibited.
Napapatunga-nga lang sila gano'n. Anong klase music to? Although alam nilang reggae, pero yung iba, pigil na tipo. Ganun-ganun lang sa lamesa yun.
Little by little, a few of their fans began to dance their feet.
Kaya ngayon talaga bumigay na sila eh.
So sila ang bumigay?
Sila bumigay. Yun ang inaantay namin, tatlong
Papa Dom writes Tropical Depression songs while Bong arranges them. One of their first hits was Ala Ala, a sad song that blends the Filipino kundiman with a reggae beat.
It was a time when naghiwalay kami ng girlfriend ko. Tsaka at the same time, namatay din yung mom ko nun. So parang, yan. Nagiinuman kami sa garahe, naglalaro sa gitara to. Bigla ako nalang nasulat yun.
Kapayapaan is a crowd favorite at every Tropical Dep performance. It's a mix of African rhythms, kumbachero music, and traditional reggae.
Merong kapre, may tabakong sindi-sindi, sa silag ng bilog na buwan, nabibilad na nakabikini.
And the hit that got them guesting stints on all the variety shows, a reggae version of the folk song, Bilog na Naman ang Buwan.
Bilog na naman ang buwan was actually written by Isagani Ibarra. No? This came out a few weeks after John Lennon was assassinated. Ay message nung kanta parang ilabas mo na, huwag ka na magtago. Labas mo na yung kalokohan mo.
Kapayapaan, Ala Ala, and Bilog all appeared in a highly successful, independently produced album entitled Alert Level. The album showcased the talents of 4 so-called underground bands. Since Alert Level came out, Tropical Dep has gained mainstream success. And before the end of the year, the band will be launching its first solo album.
Natutuwa rin kami na may binunga rin yung pinagpagura namin for so long. Sana kasama pa rin namin yung mga kasama namin nung umpisa.
They promised the album will be very experimental, adding the sound and rhythm of local ethnic instruments to the Jamaican reggae.
Ang dami pang possibilities na wala pa kami dun sa kalingkingan nung pwedeng gawin eh. Marami pa kaming magagawa. Bandang huli, tutuloy na rin kami ng alambre habang kumakanta.
But while the fans wait for this new release, they think there's still nothing like hearing Tropical Dep live. Every weekend, hundreds continued to pack Merrick's Bistro 70s and Club Dread, ready to dance up a storm to Tropical Depression's reggae.